Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of the extraordinary beaches of Pinet Mar, located just outside of Barcelona. As we continue our walk, you'll see that Pinet Mar's beaches are truly exceptional. From the soft, golden sand to the shimmering turquoise waters, it's a place that's truly unforgettable. And with the gentle breeze coming off the sea, it's the perfect way to cool off and enjoy the sun. One thing that makes Pinet Mar's beaches so special is the town's commitment to preserving the natural beauty of the area. The beaches here are well maintained, with clean sand and clear waters. And with plenty of amenities like beach umbrellas, chairs, and restaurants, you can relax and enjoy the beauty of the area without a care in the world. As we wrap up our tour, I have one more request for you. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to leave a comment below. I love hearing from my viewers, and I'm always looking for new ideas and suggestions for future videos. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. In conclusion, Pinet Mar's beaches are truly extraordinary. From the soft, golden sand to the crystal clear waters, it's a place that's sure to take your breath away. So if you're planning a trip to Barcelona, be sure to add Pinet Mar to your itinerary.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!